Welcome to JOAT Academy. Today, we are going to learn how to construct a line parallel to another line. Let us look at the question that will guide us through the construction process. Question: construct a line segment AB of length 6 cm. Then construct another line PQ parallel to AB at a distance of 6.5 cm from AB. First, draw the line segment AB measuring 6 cm. Note, the construction of a line segment was covered in the previous video. Extend the line from point A, as shown. Place your compass at point A and draw two arcs cutting the line, as illustrated. Now, place the compass on the left arc and draw an arc above point A. Move the compass to the right arc and repeat the process so that the two arcs intersect above the line. Using your ruler and pencil, draw a straight line from point A through the point of intersection. This gives us a perpendicular line at A. Repeat the same construction at point B to obtain another perpendicular line, as shown. Next, open your compass to 6.5 cm using your ruler. Place the compass at point A and draw an arc to cut the perpendicular line drawn at A. Without changing the compass width, place it at point B and draw another arc to cut the perpendicular line at B. Label the points of intersection as P and Q. Finally, using your ruler, draw a straight line joining P to Q. The line PQ is parallel to the line AB. Now, let me inform you that our advanced student report card generator, created in Excel, is now available. You can download it through the link in the description section. Thank you for watching. Until we meet again, keep practicing. Goodbye.